Ladies and gentlemen, welcome now to the official launch of the all-new HUAWEI Pura 80 series!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the brand new HUAWEI Pura 80 series, Fashion Next. Let's explore a design inspired by one of the purest forms of beauty, the glaze of glaze. Glaze red, glaze white, glaze black. This is the glaze that holds your gaze. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the all-new HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. The golden badge, the golden ring, and the golden glaze. Luminous, detailed, and iconic. It's technology at its most elegant. Next, let us deep dive into photography. It doesn't just improve photography, it reimagines what a smartphone camera can do. The HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra features a brand new 1-inch ultra lighting HDR camera, even in scenes with harsh contrast. The exposure is perfectly balanced. This is the industry's first switchable dual telephoto camera. 2 lenses, 1 seamless optical zoom experience. We have seen how well this camera does in challenging lighting conditions.
First image was taken after the sunset. The 1-inch ultra lighting HDR camera makes it possible to preserve the brightness and darkness at the same time. The switchable dual photo lens brings the 2 tele lens in one module. Even the 10x photo shows superb clarity. Experiencing its next level camera capabilities and capturing these masterpieces has been phenomenal.
This is the smartphone experience. Smart, strong, and seamless.